I'm Jeff Farrell with Mandalay Homes. This is the Homeowner Guide Series. Today we're going to talk about your garage door and one of its emergency features in case you ever have a loss of power. All garage door openers are equipped with this red handle off of the opener itself. In case of electrical loss or loss of power to the operator itself, you simply pull the red handle, that'll release the trolley. Once you release the trolley, you can simply operate the garage door by hand by grabbing the bottom rail and pulling it shut. That's how you operate your garage door manually.